Why do you need to install GR86 wheel spacers with Hub-Centric? Wheel spacers are a common modification for car mods lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. Recommend installing GR86 wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger component or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS GR86 wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer, and the BONOSS wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Hub-Centric GR86 spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and strength than if it fits on the lugs only. This is why this kind of wheel spacer is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, BONOSS Forge FT Cooling GR86 wheel spacers are designed with heat expansion grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat expansion effect and improving road safety. So, if you are considering installing wheel spacers for your GR86, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.